guys, welcome back to my channel. आज हम करने वाले हैं top 5 shoes that you must try from Amazon. So guys, these are the 5 shoes that I have bought a long time back. I have tried them and these are not only my shoes, these are shoes that I bought for my family as well, and these are the shoes that we have tested for a long time to be able to say that they are good quality and you must definitely check them out. Now before we start with the video, please take a moment to subscribe, hit on the notification button so that you never miss any video from my end. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first shoe that I wanted to show you are these pair of Crocs. If you haven't used Crocs till now, I would definitely urge you to definitely buy a pair of Crocs for you. They will really make a difference in your life because ये एक ऐसे shoes हैं which never go out of fashion, work on all weathers. आपको ना rainy season की चिंता, ना winters की, ना summers की. These are all season appropriate shoes and they are so good quality and obviously these are indestructible shoes. मतलब आप कुछ भी कर लो, कैसा भी कर लो, जो जितना मर्जी यूज कर लो, घिस लो, जो भी कर लो, इनका कुछ नहीं होगा, कभी गंदे नहीं होते, कुछ भी नहीं होता, पानी में धो एंड दे आर रेडी टू बी रीयूज्ड विदाउट एनी टेंशन. दीज आर द मोस्ट टेंशन फ्री शूज दैट यू कैन हैव इन योर लाइफ. नाउ guys, Crocs are little expensive. They run around 2000 plus, but yeah, wait for a sale, and Amazon very frequently have sales on Crocs, so have a watch of it. Put your favorite Crocs in your cart and keep revisiting every time, and probably you will get notification as well. So when I bought these, ये मैंने 650 rupees के लिए थे. These are red in color, so peppy, so beautiful, and obviously and they're very very light. आपको पैर में पहन के इनको पता भी नहीं चलता कि कुछ है. These are like हवा. So I mean, I can't brabble enough about Crocs shoes. You must try Crocs shoes, definitely. Now, since I love Crocs so much, I have another pair of shoes. These are for my husband. So these are the gents shoes. So these ones are like black and have all Crocs written in the entire pair everywhere. These ones for my husband, I got them for 900 rupees and they are rough and tough. I mean, इससे बेटर शूज नहीं हो सकते. इन सब की एक्चुअल डिटेल और स्क्रीनशॉट वगैरह सब कुछ यू विल गेट ऑन द वीडियो. बट यस, क्रॉक्स के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट चीज यही है जो दिमाग में रखनी है. बाय ड्यूरिंग द सेल. ओके, द नेक्स्ट पेयर ऑफ शूज दैट आई हैव आर दीज वंस. सो दीज वंस आर फ्रॉम अ ब्रांड कॉल्ड Carlton London, and these are in the size 6. So just for your reference, I am in a size 6, which is 39 euro. So yeah, so these are slippers that you could say, and these are very very beautiful. I love the stripes, the beading, and these are very very comfortable. Like sometimes you want that kind of shoes कि आप slippers जो आप कहीं पे भी आराम से just पैर में डालिए चले जाइए. They look fancy, they make your feet look beautiful, they are very comfortable, and they are very very long lasting. So if I show you closely, then this is how they look. These have all the pearl beading right here, and then there's a buckle that is here, right here. So nice detailing that is there in the entire shoe, and obviously the tan color gives it another very elegant and very beautiful look. And obviously comfort की तो कोई बात ही नहीं है. These are like very bouncy and soft and very very comfortable. These one are only for rupees 450, and I mean MRP तो obviously बहुत ज़्यादा है, but I got these in sale, so I got them for 450, and 450 rupees में these are a steal. The next shoes that I want to show you are the love of my life. These are the shoes from Puma. These are called as the Fierce Satin women shoes. So this is how it looks. I'm sorry for the lighting, but these are like candy pink color, like the candy floss pink color. बहुत ही beautiful है, and then it has all the satin material right here. So this is how they look. So this is the entire satin portion, and then there is some detailing that is going on, and then these are like a little bit of high shoes. इस तरह से एक में this is how they look. So they look very very beautiful, very very nice. I love these shoes. These were love at first sight, and these are very comfortable, and these are very very fancy, very stylish. I mean, they take your look to the next level. I love these. These ones I got for 22.50 and I think around 50% का sale था. So obviously for these kind of shoes as well, look for good amount of sale and then you can definitely buy it. Now unfortunately for me, when I was wearing it, one of the times I spilled over something on it. Now I don't remember what it is, so it got stained. I'm not sure if the camera is picking up, but yes, it got stained pretty bad, but my heart was broken. But I think that's the bad side or the downside of these shoes, that because this is satin, it gets dirty pretty easily. And yeah, anyways, overall still they look good. Overall I am still wearing them, so definitely a must buy for you. Okay, the next pair of shoes are these sandals, these ones. So this is how they look. These are from a brand called Clore Melbourne. Yeah, so this is how they are called. But I had looked at these shoes. They had good reviews, and I definitely wanted to check this out. So it has almost 2.5 inches of heel. Now this is a very, very comfortable shoe. It actually comes in two colors. One is this one, which is beige, and one is the black one. But I like the beige one more, so I definitely wanted to try this one. These are also very, very comfortable shoes. These ones I got for 700 rupees, and they are definitely good quality. If you look closely, then the quality, the pasting, everything, and the embroidery, everything is very, very beautiful. They look very, very nice and give a very, very beautiful look to your legs. Something that definitely if you want to wear in your parties, or with your saris, or with your western, or Indian wear, both of them, so it will go with everything. So these are very, very good quality and good made shoes. So definitely for 700 it's a good buy. The only thing that I want to tell you is, whatever shoe size you are, take one size up, because this runs a little smaller. So I am a size 39 in shoes, so I bought a size 40. So that's how you should buy this one. And the last pair of shoes were bellies. So these were for my girl. So as you could see, these are golden bellies. This has all the golden detailing right in the front, and then on the top part there's a shimmer which runs on the top part, and then this is how it looks from the side. So very, very goldenish, very, very sparkly. So I don't know, I mean, kids like sparkly things, so I definitely like this one. And these have very soft cushion, like these are very soft, and this is the kind of shoes that you would like for your kids, which are very, very comfortable. They don't bite the your kids' feet. So yeah, these are very, very good quality, and these are very, very soft. I got this for 350 rupees, but I see that the price for these ones keep on fluctuating. You can actually get them as low as 299, and they are definitely worth 299. They are very, very beautiful, and they are very, very soft and comfortable. So guys, with that we finish our top 5 shoes that you must check out from Amazon. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please like, share, subscribe, hit on the notification button so that you never miss a video from my end. And till we meet the next time, take care, bye bye.